Hi, I'm Dan Helwig from Diversey. What we'd like to talk to you about today is grout cleaning. And what we've gathered for you are a number of materials and products for you to clean grout. What we have are all the tools that you might need to make your grout looking like new. The first step in cleaning a restroom is to knock and announce and block the door open and block the entryway. You also want to inspect the floor. Here we see a lighter area along the edges, but the grout is very, very soiled, so we're going to clean it next. The next step is to put on your personal protective equipment. That's glasses and gloves. And now we're going to dust mop the floor, or sweep the floor with a corn broom. The next step is to dilute the product according to label directions. You want to make sure you use cool or cold water. Hot water with products that have solvent in them will flash the solvent off and make them smell worse and work not as effectively. Next, what we'd like you to do is apply the product according to label direction. In this case, we're going to wait for 10 minutes. Move the machine from right to left to pull solution away from the wall, and make sure you use a brush. One of the things that a brush will do is it will go in and will flex the low spots in grout and make sure it cleans very effectively. Next, we're going to pick up the dirty solution with a wet vac or a wand attachment. After we've picked up the soiled solution, we'll go ahead and rinse the floor. Then we'll pick it up with a wet vac. When you're finished with the job, make sure to inspect your work. Make sure you also allow all of your wet floor signs to remain in place, and make sure that the doors are still blocked until the floors are completely dry. And the final step, as always, is clean up all the materials that you had and put them away for the next time to be used. If you have any questions, you can call us easily by dialing 1-800-558-2332, option 5. Another option might be, instead of using a single disc scrubbing machine, a wet vac, and the other tools that you saw, might be a machine that would scrub the floor, rinse the floor, and pick it up all at once. That machine might be very, very helpful and very, very useful. However, you might want a tool to make sure you use to clean the edges. We have one here that combines this machine to allow you to clean all the edges and the floors itself.